What's up guys? Welcome back sa Elexhub channel. Today, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating Sumobot V3 at Mini Sumobot Soccer Robot mode. And take note, the Soccer Robot feature is not an upgrade. Kasama talaga siya sa kit. So hindi lang ito pang sumo pushing, pwede rin tayo mag full robot soccer competition. Ang kagandahan dito, this kit is designed for dual purpose, the sumo battle mode and the soccer robot mode. Meaning, isang robot, dalawang gameplay. For soccer mode, nakadesign ito for fast acceleration, smooth turning control, strong ball pushing power, and stable chassis for better ball handling. Ang Sumobot V3 ay mas malakas ang torque at mas powerful sa pushing. Ang Mini Sumobot naman ay mas compact, mas agile, and mas mabilis umiwas. So depende sa strategy mo kung power or speed ang gusto mo sa laro. Para sa Sumobot V3, ang soccer attachment ay kinakabit sa side panels ng chassis. Ito ang mga steps na kailangan nating sundin. I-align ang soccer attachment sa left and right side panel, secure it using 3 screws per side, at higpitan ng maayos para stable during impact. Make sure pantay ang pagkakakabit para balance ang robot. Para naman sa Mini Sumobot, mas simple ang installation. I-position lang ang soccer attachment sa front ng chassis, secure it using 2 screws, at i-tighten properly para hindi gumalaw during gameplay. And that's it! Ready na for soccer mode. Now, let's connect it to our phone. Take note lang, wala tayong separate Bluetooth module na nagbiblink because Bluetooth is already built in sa ESP32 board. Ito naman ang mga steps para dito. First, power on the robot. Second, open the Elexhub Arduino controller app. Third, go to Bluetooth settings inside the app. Fourth, tap scan devices. Fifth, select the ESP32 device name, and lastly, tap connect. Kapag connected na, ready na ang control interface. Now, you can move forward or backward, turn left or right, control speed, and push and control the ball. All wireless, no extra module needed. Now, for the most exciting part, the competition. We will have 3 match formats. Round 1, Mini versus Mini. Speed and Agility Battle. Round 2, V3 versus V3. Power versus Power Showdown. And final round, V3 plus Mini versus V3 plus Mini. Team strategy ang labanan dito. Ball starts at the center. In 3, 2, 1, start. Watch now the pushing power, positioning, and quick turns. So ayan ang ating Sumobot V3 at Mini Sumobot Soccer Robot Mode na included na talaga sa kit. If you want to experience robot soccer competition, this is perfect for schools, robotics clubs, and tournaments. Comment below kung Team Speed Mini or Team Power V3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more robotics content. This is Elexhub, empowering your projects. Kita-kits sa next video!